Binyosa.
My name is Nick from Exiplar.
My name is Justin Pisurtado.
And today we are going to talk about the hot pepper and lemongrass extract as bioorganic pesticide. So, hot pepper and lemongrass extracts are natural alternatives to chemical pesticides. They contain compounds like capsaicin from hot pepper and citral from lemongrass that act as effective repellents and common crop pests. So, this bioorganic pesticide is safe, eco-friendly, and cost-effective, making it suitable for small-scale and organic farmers. By using locally available ingredients, it supports sustainable agriculture and help reduce the harmful effects of synthetic chemicals in human health and environment.
Hi guys, my name is Rob Exiplar. So the list of material is chili labuyo or hot pepper, already crushed. And already extracted. So this same as the lemongrass here, already extracted also. And the gloves for safety handling of the hot pepper. And alternative or goggles, we use glasses so that the splash of the water, chili water is. Yeah. So, one sachet of dishwashing, but we gonna use just 10 ml. Funnel, apron, and a cloth for mask, so that the fumes of the chili, and spray and hairnet. That's all. Already done wearing the PPE, so the mask, so that the fumes, and the hairnet, the apron, the gloves, and most importantly, the goggles. So first is the chili extract. So already grind, wash, soak, and chop here. So yeah, so 1 liter. This is 1 liter, and the spray. So open the spray. Put the funnel in, and this is the lemongrass extract also. So 1 liter. So first, very carefully add. I think 300 ml. 300 ml of this chili extract. Careful. Because this might cause irritation of the skin. So please be very careful. Okay. So another half of this lemongrass extract or the tanglad extract. Same procedure. Scary. Okay. So half. Oh, no. Not yet. I... Not half yet. So, keep doing it until it's half. Close the lid properly. So yeah. And the dishwashing liquid. How should I open this? Assistant, charot.
We should have used a material ang pan put it.
So,
Sisa.
as you can see, it's almost 20. So 20 ml just estimated, no? So add almost half of this. So
9 ml lang. I-estimate.
I think it's enough. So close the spray and add the labels and the date. Where's that? After you done making it, and shake
Shake.
and spray. Ta-da! This is the final product, a bio-organic pesticide. So the use and the purpose of this is to get rid of pests and to reduce the overall population of the pests, and actually, and it's very organic, very.
So our objectives is first, effective repellent for common pests like aphids, caterpillars, and ants. It is very effective because of the hot pepper's chemical called capsaicin, which is that giving the hot pepper its hot flavor kanang pampahalang niya. And also for the lemongrass, the citral is the katang baho niya na dili ganahan ng aphids, caterpillars, and ants, and such more insects. So, second objective is promote organic farming and reduces reliance on synthetic chemicals. So, kani siya promote siya ng organic farming instead of gamit ng chemicals which is mahal kayo nang ato kaning makanbay locally and everywhere siya. Basic na kayo siya buhaton. And third objective is safe for humans, animals, and beneficial for insects like bees because kaya siya makaka-boost po din siya sa ato mga flowers and other crops and plants. And also, our fourth is cost-effective and easy to prepare using local materials. As I said before, cost-effective, barato rin itong lemongrass and hot pepper, and grabe na kayo siya ka-basic. And for the last, helps improve crop health and yield in a sustainable way. And that's all.
Thank you for watching. God bless you, Mom.